In our today's topic of business studies, as you all know, we are on chapter number 7, directing, and the topic which we are going on is elements of directing. I gave you already in previous videos the detail, the concept about directing. Then directing has 4 elements, S, M, L, C. S means supervision. Already we completed supervision. Super plus vision means about checking. Supervision. Then next I started motivation. Motivation means stimulating people to do the work and to achieve the desired goal. So today, yesterday also in the previous class also we discussed the features of motivation, like it is a complex process. The motivation is positive as well as negative. And already we discussed the meaning of the motivation. See the slide. Motivation is a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish goal. Feature of motivation, it is an internal feeling. It is goal-directed behavior. It can be positive as well as negative. Yesterday we discussed a lot. Motivation is a complex process. As I told you, every individual is heterogeneous in nature and the motivation may not satisfy same for all. Then features of motivation. Now today's topic is motivation process. See, motivation is a complex process. Just I showed here a slide, and yesterday we discussed about it by various examples. Like motivation is positive and negative. That may work on a different way on different people because everyone is from different background, different thinking process. So motivation process is seems. See this slide, then you will be able to understand. See the circular way. My dear children, look at the screen. Then you will be able to understand the motivation process for a human being. As I told you yesterday, there are 2 types of capital. Human capital and physical capital. We can motivate only human capital, not the physical capital. We cannot motivate furniture, land and building, plant and machinery. No, motivation is for human being because only human being requires motivation. What is the process of motivation? See, look at the screen. First, some needs are unsatisfied. Some needs are unsatisfied, so we have tension. Now, try to achieve that. Now you will do the behavior accordingly. Someone will motivate you. That will satisfy your needs. You will have less tension. But this is for short time. Again, you will have some other tension. So this is the life and motivation goes on continuously. Yesterday I told you, after 6 months I will not be there to motivate you. Someone else will motivate you. It is a life-going process. In childhood, your mother motivates you. In middle classes, some other teacher. In 12th, I am the motivator. Why I am motivating you? Why? Just so that you can achieve your goals. This is the reason behind that. Okay, so in the college, some other will motivate you. In when you will go for job, some other team leader will be there to motivate you. So this is the process, my dear children, life-going process, ongoing process. Look at the screen, then you will be able to understand. See, you have unsatisfied need, so you have tension. So someone will be there to search your behavior and motivate you. Then your need will satisfied. Then there will be tension reduced. But some other new tension will come up. That's why we can say it is a continuous process. Process means ongoing work. Harshvardhan, please note down. Harshvardhan, topic is given in very tough language in the books. I made these slides for you, my dear. Note down. Harshvardhan, can you hear me? No. This is the motivation. Okay, what I am saying? Say some unsatisfied need is there. See, those students who are not coming to the class regularly, what I am saying, please beta, come to the class daily. You will get something new. Your needs are unsatisfied. You have not achieved your goal yet. Class 12th result is not come out. That is unsatisfied need. Someone has tension. Someone is there and search your behavior why you are in tension. Someone has satisfied your need, then there will be less tension. Maybe that motivator can be a teacher, can be a mother. Anyone can be a motivator who can encourage, maybe the friend also. But that is continuous. Process means continuous, ongoing series. Now I will explain you this. Krish Kapoor, show me your copy, beta. Krish Kapoor, show me your copy. Leave the room. Very good. Now see, one by one, motivation process. This is the first stage. When unsatisfied need of an individual is the first stage in motivation. Some need is unsatisfied, so you require motivation. Some unsatisfied needs are there, then motivation process will start. This is the first step. We can say first stage, then tension. See, if your needs are unsatisfied, it creates a tension. Tension in the mind, tension in the behavior. You can show it through your behavior, through your work. If there is some tension in your mind, why tension arises? Because some need is unsatisfied. See, I will tell you different types of needs are there. In the next video, I will explain you. Every human being has different types of need. That is, see, needs. There is some hierarchy of needs. Mr. Abraham Maslow explained these different types of needs. So maybe some need psychological needs, social needs. Okay, some needs may be unsatisfied. Safety need. So because the need is unsatisfied, so there will be tension. Then now you are searching the solution. Tension stimulates his drives. Tension stimulates his drives. Now you will search the behavior. Drives put him into a state of search behavior to satisfy his need. Just now I told you Mr. Abraham Maslow, who have Maslow's hierarchy. He explained that we have hierarchy of needs. There is some sequence of needs. First, basic need, food, clothing, shelter. Then safety need, social need, esteem need. Okay. Self-actualization need. Various needs are there. I will explain you. But then next step is drives put out into a state of search behavior to satisfy his need. If your need is satisfied, such behavior ends in satisfied need. If your need is satisfied, now you will have less tension, maybe no tension. See, in simple words. See, unsatisfied need, so there is tension. So due to tension, someone is motivated and there will be change in your behavior. If behavior change, then the need is satisfied. When the need is satisfied, your behavior, you will have less tension. I am going to explain you this one again. Yesterday we discussed feature of motivation. Motivation is an internal feeling. It produces goal-directed behavior. It is positive or negative. It is, last line, it is a complex process. How we can say motivation is a process? Motivation is a process because it involves various steps. See the steps. Now, then I will give you some example also. Unsatisfied need, tension, right? Someone will motivate you. Then search your behavior. If your need is satisfied, there will be less tension. See, unsatisfied need is the first stage. There will be tension. Then someone will there to drive you and search your behavior and satisfy your need. If your need is satisfied, there will be less tension. See the process. Now I am going to explain. Listen, I am going to give you one good example, one very excellent example. See, this is in the case study form. Mr. X is working in an organization. Listen the case study, please. And in that organization, he finds that the organization is changing the employees frequently. There is no job security. There is no permanence. He always in tension that someone will remove you in any day. So what is there? Some motivation should be there. Yes, please listen. Then afterwards you will be able to note down it. I am giving you the example of an organization. Then we will take the examples of our real life. See, Mr. X is working in an organization and the organization is not giving them security, safety of job. They don't have any permanence. Their organization can kick them any day, any time. So the worker is not happy. He is always in tension that the organization can remove me anytime. So he is not showing his performance. Mehul, listen please. So he is not showing his permanence in a good way, in the best caliber way. Because his one need is unsatisfied. Safety and security need. So he always in a tension. He always worry about his job securities. So the manager sees that he is not happy in the organization. So the manager sees that he is not happy in the organization. He is not showing his caliber, his performance in a best way. So he motivates, he searches his behavior. What is the problem he talked to? Motivation means encourage or see what is the unsatisfied need. Then if the superior talks to the subordinate, what's your problem, my dear? Why you are not working properly? may be positive or negative motivation both. That's why it is complex process. Then he says that I don't have job security and you can remove me anytime. Then the organization can tell them, no problem, if you will perform better, we will continue your job here. You have job security. Need satisfied? Now there will be less tension. Okay, clear? So this is the motivation process that can be performed for any need. I will tell you there are 5 types of need. In the next videos, I will explain you what are the needs, how it can be satisfied. Okay, so in today's video, we discuss the features of motivation as well as motivation process. And I explain you through PPTs, there are various steps of motivation and how a superior can reduce them. Okay, so second component is motivation and that is going on in this class. And yesterday I explained you important features and meaning of motivation, as well as today we completed process of motivation, which is a very complex process because everyone is heterogeneous, everyone requires to satisfy different needs. That's why it is a process. Okay, I'm sure you must